Hi students, good morning to all of you, and once again welcome to online class. Students, uh, what I said in our previous class, that is we will discussing about exercise question answer. That's one I said in our previous class. So as per that's one, now this class we shall discussing about exercise question answer. These question answer very important for the purpose of your exam. So be careful, you listen, and have to practice in your home after this class about these exercise question answer. Okay, so now coming, let's come, we have to discussing question answer. So students, here is there in your textbook page number 206, these questions are there. So first question is, what happened when question. What happened when. Here first question is the, here dash means what, you have to read this one. Every questions beginning from, you have to read this one, then only question will be understand. Okay, I hope you are understood students. So what happened when the food reaches the stomach. So stomach, this is coming in the digestive system. Okay, stomach is the one important organ of in the digestive system. So what they are asked, what happened when the food reaches the stomach. So very simple, when food reaches the stomach, the walls of the stomach secreted another juice. One juice is secreted in the walls of the stomach. That juice help to change the chewed food into simpler substance. This is the function after food reaches from the mouth. When already in the mouth, we chewed very well and some saliva is secreted in the mouth. After reaches the stomach, again the walls of the stomach have secret one more juice. That juice help to change the chewed food into simpler substance. This is the answer for this question. Second one, here again dash is there, but we have to use the read this one. What happened when the food reaches the small intestine? Very simple student. When food reaches the small intestine, some more juice, one more juice here also in the small intestine, some more juice mix with the food here, and walls of the small intestine absorb the digested food and pass it on to the blood vessels. This is the function of small intestine students. Very simple. When food reaches the small intestine, before reaches the small intestine, food have in the stomach again digested and small secreted juice is also secreted in the stomach. But when it reaches the small intestine, again food digested and some more juice is mixing with the food, and walls of the small intestine that absorb the digested food. Whatever is the digested food in from the stomach, it reaches small intestine. That time the small intestine absorb the digested food and it supplied to the blood vessels. This is the answer students. Okay, next question. What happened when the food reaches the large intestine? Large intestine, very simple student. The walls of the large intestine absorb the water and rest part of the undigested food. Undigested food, keep in your mind student, not digested food. Undigested food is thrown out of the body through the anus. It means what? After reaching the large intestine, what food? Keep in your mind. When food reaches the large intestine, which food is coming? Undigested food is only coming in the large intestine. Large intestine stored the undigested food, not digested food, because digested food already go to the blood vessels with the help of the small intestine. That's why undigested food stored in the large intestine. That same time large intestine, walls of the large intestine absorb the water and undigested food throughout the body. So this is the answer, students. I hope you are understood this one. Thank you. Have a nice day. Next class we shall discussing remaining question answer. Bye.